Hi everybody, welcome back. In this episode I'm doing my van fit out. before we end the video, let me give you a small tour and show you a small amount of stuff here, what I store where in the van. I started filming and I got the van 6 months ago, and right now I use it a lot and I know everything where it needs to be, and I know where improvements need to be made. This is how a typical setup is. So here in front I store, for instance, a vacuum and tool sustainers, which are not every day with me at the location or in the shop. And over there I have my 2 folding sawhorses and some jackets. This little window here is for putting stuff which is longer than maybe 3 meters in the van, so I don't have to use any carriers on the roof for long stuff. And on the top shelf here I have my saws, hand saws, and like the vacuum extension and extra shovel handle for when I'm in panic. And on here, like rails for a hand saw or like a circular saw. The levels, they stick around here. Then a small collection of screws. It's not really sorted, but it's like kinda okay for me. Then I have some rattle cans and some cleaning agents. And here's some special screws for roofing or for decking or for plasterboard, drywall, a little light, some extra cable there. Then I have some smaller tools, like a box for a planer and a little blower, and some assorted small stuff like rings, drills, plugs, a small bin for clamps, another assorted bin, but also for nail gun nails, and some tape, which is handy. And the lower shelf is for a variety of like a collection of hand tools, which I don't always bring, but I bring a tool tote and then I can select at the start of the day which tools I need here. Some other plugs and bolts, and some rope and some strapping underneath there. So here I usually do my sustainers or my more general toolboxes, and underneath my bigger sustainers. And the downside is that if you want to get these, you need to have a clear path here. So having no sustainers here would even be better, but then again you want to use that space. So that's always a bit of a difficult choice there. But usually this goes along quite well, and if I have material in this area or large sheets, I can move them away and then start work and getting these sustainers. So it works, but having a drawer, that would be more better, or a different place for the lower sustainers. And on the other side I store my clamps, and I have some hanging tools. There's also a bigger roofing square there, pry bar, caulk gun, little duster, and my German beer kind of caulk and glue storage. And this is my bucket for the glue and striking off glue. And on top I have my cleaning, so the vacuum bags for 2 types of vacuums if I need 2 types. Always it's handy to have a little moving blanket. Other bigger bags, extension cords, shopper bag for assorted reasons. Yeah. Then I have some personal protection, 2 helmets and those kind of things, gloves, protection shield with earmuffs, and my own respirator. And of course, for protection as well, here's my first aid kit, my red first aid kit. And of course, my sticker collection. Always send your sticker if you have one. And that's a small tour of the van. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it still. So I probably don't have to replace the van in a short while. So that's cool. Thanks for watching.